Welcome to East Coast Elk Reviews. Today, we're taking a look at a Tröegs Independent Brewing beer. This is their Blizzard of Hops, 6.4% alcohol by volume. It says serve in a tumbler, but I got my IPA glass here. It says Winter IPA, India Pale Ale. It says the color, hazy gold, hop cycle, winter, hops and Centennial, Chinook, Galaxy, Eldorado. We created this winter IPA to toast hop growers around the world for another successful harvest. This storm of hoppy citrus and pine notes is a bright reminder that the end of the hop cycle is only the beginning. So I do have Beer Advocate pulled up here. So I got some stuff off Beer Advocate. Scroll on Beer Advocate 87 Very Good from Tröegs Brewing Company out of Pennsylvania, United States. Style, IPA American, ABV 6.4%. Said that. Status active. Yeah, it's a little different. The hop cycle comes to a close with Blizzard of Hops. As winter creeps in, we salute hop growers around the world. Yeah. Enjoy the fruits of their labor and savor sticky notes of citrus and pine with this revitalizing winter IPA, number 4 of 4 in our hop cycle seasonal series. And then I actually just have the website pulled up. Grain, that's what I want to find. Grain, Pilsner, unmalted wheat, white wheat, hop, Centennial, Chinook, Eldorado, yeast ale. So yeah, let's crack this open. I did have the Mad Elf by them. That was pretty good. And I also have tried the Tröegs. I haven't done reviews on them, so those will be coming out shortly. But yeah, let's crack this open. Go for the pour. Check out the appearance of this one. Poured a little aggressive, didn't really get much of a head. Oh, it's going up a little bit now. About a finger and a half head to it. Doesn't look like it's actually going to leave a lacing on the glass. Off-white colored head though. It is slightly hazy. It's more of like a chilled haze, but like a slight hazy golden color like they're saying. A decent amount of bubbles in there. Looks pretty good. Aroma? Ooh, this smells very like fresh, like earthy, piney, like hop resin, citrus and grapefruit, a little bit of pineapple, yeah, like orange, lemon, I think maybe like a little bit of like a tart lemon. Yeah, it smells very good. It smells very clean and like I said, fresh. It smells like fresh hops. It smells pretty good, guys. Nothing really jumping out at you. A little bit of like some honey sweetness, like white bread. It's like a little biscuity, bready nose. Bready aroma, excuse me. It smells really good. Like I said, it smells very fresh. Let's try it. Let's taste this one. Oh, it's got good carbonation. Like a prickly carbonation. Mouthfeel's definitely on the lighter side. I'd say light to medium, going more towards light though. Yeah, this is good. Very citrusy. A little bit of like a tropical note. It's got some good bitterness. I don't think they list IBUs. No IBUs. But I do get like a nice floral hop resin bitterness with that. It's like grapefruit and like a citrusy, kind of like zesty, like sour. Yeah. It tastes very clean. It tastes very fresh. Lemons, orange, a little bit of pineapple. Yeah, it's good. I do like this. A little bit of that doughy breadiness on the backbone as well. Some sweet malts. Like I said, prickly carbonation. Cyclops scale. This is like, I'd say this is about, I want to say like 4 out of 5 hop cones. I'm getting a good amount of bitterness. And nice fresh earthy, floral, citrusy hops and like a little bit of a tropical note. Sugar cubes, it's not too sweet. I'd say it's like 2.5. There's really not much sweetness to this beer, but it is very good. Like I said, it's very crisp, clean, easy drinking. This is definitely a crushable IPA. 6.4%, decent ABV. This is like a sit outside, nice hot day, maybe mowing the lawn, easy drinking, not filling, crushable IPA. I do really enjoy this. It's not mind-blowing in flavor, but it is very good. It's very tasty. The bitterness is there. It lingers for a medium amount of time. There's nothing like, there's really, it's like a honey sweetness. There's no like caramel note that's overpowering. So you do get like a little bit of like a honey sweetness, because like most IPAs like this usually get a lot of like the caramel malt, but this doesn't have that. It's got more of that honey sweetness, and very citrusy, but there's still a little bit of like a tropical flavor. But the citrus is pretty much what you're getting throughout the beer. And then like I said, like a little bit of grapefruit on the end. It's actually, this is a very good IPA. I do enjoy this. Excuse me. I don't know how much a 6-pack is gonna run you. I got this from the Tröegs variety pack. I think this is probably like an $11 6-pack. I have to correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys seen this, how much the 6-packs go for? I like it. I think it's very good. Like I said, super easy drinking. For a rating, I'll give it like a. I'm gonna give it like a. I think it deserves like a 94. Yeah, 94 out of 100 for this one. I do really like this. Like I said, if you want an IPA that's very drinkable, easy to crush, not too filling, you can have a few of these. That's 6.4% ABV, decent ABV to get you going. And like I said, it's not too filling. It's not going to fill you up. You could have a few of these. Yeah, I'm going to recommend it to you guys. I think Tröegs makes some pretty good stuff. I'd like to try their other beers. I still have the Grand Cacao Stout that I have to review, so I'll probably be doing maybe that one, or maybe the Mad Elf or the Troganator, more of an in-depth review on those today as well. And yeah, this one was pretty good. I do enjoy it. If you see it in a 6-pack or a single, pick it up, try it out yourself. And yeah, there you have it. If there's anything else that you guys like to see on my channel, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my upcoming videos. I love your beer. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.